What's up, guys? Aaron with Twins Garage. I'm here in the garage working on the new engine, getting the whole top end torn apart. My little brother is here, so he's just riding my new bike while I'm working on the engine. Got those parts taken off, trying to get this wire removed so I can have enough room to pull this out. Okay, guys, I've been getting this engine torn apart, and I decided I should at least film a little bit. That's what I've gotten off so far. I've never disassembled one of these engines. Like I was saying, I've never disassembled one of these engines, so this is a first for me, so it's a little bit of a learning curve. So I'm working at it. So far, I've gotten the alternator off, so. Okay, guys, got the intake off. There's a few things I've noticed that's making me really worried. I see like little shards of metal, not in the intake, it doesn't look like, but it was below it. So that's making me wonder why that's there and how it got there. There's a lot of dry rotted hoses, and the the intake and the turbo is full of oil. So that is making me a little nervous. So I'm gonna clean up and head to bed. It's really late. And then tomorrow I'm gonna inspect this engine and see what's going on. So it's not looking too good. Get some oil in there. The engine definitely needs some cleanup. There's like little shards. It's hard to see it, but around the intake. And if you can see down in there, there's a whole bunch of oil down in there. So I'll have to do a little bit of research, see what's going on. What's up, guys? It's a new day. Got a little bit done. So I'll show you what I got done. Bam, wrinkle red paint. Yeah, no, that's good. It's just a piece of dirt that had fallen on it after it dried. It's dry for the most part. I think I might throw another coat on it tomorrow. I will see. It's supposed to be a pretty warm day tomorrow. Right now I'm just kind of going through what I have, what I'm gonna keep, what I'm gonna get rid of. Most of this, all the hoses are gonna go. They're pretty much all just dry rotted. Bluff valve and that hose is going. Those harnesses are going. That harness I gotta do a few repairs on. Fuel injectors are going. and the TGVs are going, because I got new ones coming that are deleted. I got a little bit more work I'm gonna do tonight. Then Alex is coming over tomorrow, which I'm gonna end this video to start a whole new one when he comes tomorrow. So, and we're gonna do a lot. In the morning, we're gonna help my grandpa in his truck, do his brakes, and then we're going to get the engine pulled and hopefully get that front end at least drilled off. Probably gonna start taking the engine cradle out. I don't know if we'll get that much done because we also need to do the brakes on the Kia. So it's gonna be a busy day tomorrow. So I'm gonna get this video uploaded. It's just gonna be a little quick engine update video of what I've gotten done. I'll probably do a little bit more tonight, so I'm not gonna close this video yet. So, because that way I can show you what I do tonight if I do anything. So, I'll check back a little bit. What's up, guys? This is the future. I'm gonna end this video, so if you liked it, please comment, like, subscribe. We have another really good video coming out that I'm editing right now, so definitely look forward to it. See you next time. Peace.